We live in the experience economy. Every brand, every business competes on how they make people feel. At Temple University's School of Sport, Tourism, and Hospitality Management, we are proud to introduce a new program that is built for the next generation of leaders in experience economy.
The MS in Experience Management and Analytics program is about turning data into impact and moments into value. Our curriculum builds the skills today's businesses demand: analytics, experience design, and real-world industry engagement. We are seeing massive demand for professionals who can connect insights to experiences. We need graduates who understand customers, but also how to operationalize innovation through data. This program is designed to do exactly that. It's time to lead with insights, to create value through experience, to shape what's next.
The MS in Experience Management and Analytics program at Temple University School of Sport, Tourism, and Hospitality Management is a new kind of master's degree built for a new kind of economy.